CTI's new automatic packaging machine uses a mechanical bag handling system to fully open gusseted bags, creating more fill space and speeding up the process. What's unique is that the system can fold the open bag back before heat sealing, ensuring a perfect seal even with thicker edges. The dual bag slot design allows bags to be alternately picked, while operators can refill bags on the fly, making the process more flexible and efficient. CTI's design sets a new standard for fully automated packaging.